Everyone, welcome back to episode 23 of our Roblox Speed Simulator series. Now, in this one, I'm going to show you how you can make max upgrade level. So, what I mean by this is, say you can only buy an upgrade 5 times, and then you can't buy it anymore. So, the way we're going to make that is going to start going to our server script server. This is going to be nice and easy. We're going to open up our leader stats, and sorry everyone, I do still have a cold, so sorry if I do sound a bit weird. Also, my chair is really squeaky. Okay, we're gonna go and find our level 3 cost. I'm gonna copy that, drop down and paste it. It's gonna be, rather than cost, we're gonna call this max. I'm just gonna copy that, paste it there. The maximum is gonna be how many? Now I'm going to only make a max upgrade for upgrade 3 with the rebirths, because we only have, I believe it's 3 rebirths. Let me just go double check. Where is it? Prestige, open, no, P shop. Yeah, we only have 3 rebirths, so I'm going to only make it so you can buy it a maximum of twice. The reason for that is because level 0, you have 1 rebirth button. Level 1, you have 2 rebirth buttons. Level 2, you'll have 3. So the maths behind that is basically the number of rebirths button minus 1 is your max. So I'm going to have 2. Now, we can close that. That's it. We can go down to our Prestige shop, go into P shop scrolling frame. And now we're going to open up number 1. No, we're not, sorry. We're going to close the Prestige shop. We're going to open shop GUI, open the shop scrolling frame, and go to upgrade 3 and open up the text event. Now in here where it says level, we're just going to go all the way over here, and we're going to say level and then dot quotation marks slash dot end quotation marks to say out of, and then dot player dot upgrades dot upgrade 3. This is going to be max dot value. And we're now going to close this. In the fire events, we don't change anything there. All we need to do now is go over to the workspace in our events and scroll down to our third event here. So we're going to check if the cost is bigger than the other cost. Just before that, we're going to say if player dot upgrades dot upgrade 3 max dot value is bigger than or equal to, and it's going to be PLR dot upgrades dot upgrade 3 cost dot value. No, this will be is bigger than or equal to level dot value. Then we're going to put all of this into an indent. So select it all and then press tab and then put in another end. Now we don't want this. We only want this to run if the max value is less than the value of the level. So if it's level 2 and then you're trying to buy this, it won't run. If it's level 1, it will run. So basically, if the max is less than the player level, then it's gonna. Oh, sorry, I've just realised we've done this the wrong way around. The player level should be in front of the max. So just easy fix right there. There we go. That's better. So if the player level is less than the max upgrade, then we'll run whatever's in here. What is the problem here? Nothing. Okay, cool. Now it should all work. So if we close that off and press test and play, as I say, this was really simple. There will be a problem we're going to encounter now. We also need to add it to our save as well. But because it's not in our save, it won't be the problem. Right, so yeah, so we haven't even set the description. Okay, rename this to upgrade 3 max in our leader stats. Sorry, that's why. Now we're just gonna go add this to our data store quick. So we're gonna say local save value 13 equals player dot upgrades dot upgrade 3 max. And I just realised this is get saved 112. This should only be 12. Let me fix that. Don't know how I didn't notice that. And this will become save value 13. Oh yeah, up here this would be save value 13. dot value equals get saved 13. Then here we're going to do save value 13 dot value. Down here we're going to say we're going to do comma player dot upgrades dot upgrade free max dot value. And now, if we run this, we're going to encounter a problem. We set the max to 2. I think we talked about this last episode. We set the max to 2, but it will show us 0 because of our save. There you go. It says 2 out of 0. The way we're going to fix this is we are going to go over to our data store again. Actually, go back over to our value script we made last time. We are going to just get everything out of the while wait bit, copy that, and then just completely delete the whole script. Because I know a new script idea. We're gonna just drop down there. We're gonna, after we've loaded the data, so right after, when we do our if portals, drop down after the if portals, and do if PLR. So paste in what you've just got, but here we're gonna make PLR, and everything like that. And then this will be upgrade free cost. So this is basically setting the cost after we've got the whole new to sort of data save, if that makes sense. Guys, struggling to get my words out there. Now we're going to copy this again, same thing, but this is going to be player and player again. And rather than this being upgrade free cost, this is going to be max. So if it's equal to 0, then we know it hasn't saved properly or loaded properly, because it's probably the first time loaded on the save. So then we're going to set the value to 2. Once again, I've been an idiot and deleted this. Don't know why I keep doing that. There we go. Now we don't even have that old script anymore, but if we press play, our max should be 2 now. Obviously, if we want to properly test this, we're going to have to reset our whole save data, because we've already got there we go. Yeah, it's out of 2 because we've already got our level at 2 from a previous save. If you want to properly test this, you will have to go into your data store and set a whole new save. So let's do that. Now let's press play. This is why you want to add max dot value equals. I'm just going to set my gems to 1000 really quick. Now I can buy it again, and as you can see, it's taking our gems. Now we can't buy it any more times because we've already got the max and we have all our buttons. So that's it for the max upgrade. That is all you're gonna need. So thanks everyone for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to leave a like. If you're enjoying our content, make sure to subscribe. And if you have any questions, let us know down below. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.